interior design of the house if there is a need. Kasi for example, as simple as installing mga grab bars or handlebars sa ilang CR. Diba? To assist especially with getting in and out of the toilet seat. Let's say for example, nabudlayan na THR or nabudlayan na siya, or is for possible na siya magsakat. Let's say originally, the room is in the second floor. So pwede nga ang balloon, ang family. So change scenario, dapat yung room na siya sa first floor na lang. Yung mga ama na siya. Okay? Pero we'll be discussing the different senses now. So we'll first start with your vision. So vision, important in identifying environmental cues and distinguishing environmental hazards. So we have a lot of factors under your vision. So the first is your visual field. Okay? So visual field, meaning anything that we can see, technically. So normal visual field, temporally, 90 to 110 degrees. Normal anatomical position, head is facing forward. But if you're facing forward, you can still see, diba, sa sides. Even if you do not move your eyes to the sides, if you're not going to look sa sides. So temporarily, this 90 to 100 degrees. Still the same, if you're looking straight lang, you can still see 50 to 60 degrees. That's why, let's say for example, I'm looking straight sa angle with some top of the head near chart. But I can still see this one. Okay, mga alarms na. So superiorly and nasally 50 to 60 degrees. And inferiorly 70 degrees. That's why if I'm still looking, I can still see the floor or bag nila na they play. Okay, it's not as clear, but you can see there's something in there. If your visual field is normal. So for older adults or older populations, syempre, we would expect that it would be decreased siya or diminished siya with aging. Okay? Pero others, it could happen also in adolescents or adults if there are underlying conditions such as glaucoma. Discuss yun lang mga niya. What's the difference between sarcoma and glaucoma? Types of self-affected. Or with regards to vision? Isa sa tunga, isa sa kilid. That's correct. So, sino sa tunga? Sino sa kilid? Sino sa tunga? Si sarcoma sa kilid. Sa kilid. Ayaw nga magaling nila ako na maribig. Glaucoma sa gilid. Si sarcoma sa center. I don't know if that helps. But anyway, so one that could affect your visual field if you're not yet aging are your glaucoma. Ocular hypertension could be one. Okay, and your retinitis pigmentosa. If there's inflammation of the retina, which would affect your visual field. And certain neurological disorders. What could be one best example? Neurological disorder. Stroke, pwede, we're not really given. SCI, and very common yun. Osteoporosis, Parkinson's, usually aging. Dementia is not really directly correlated. Si stroke pwede. Ano yung sagib? Isa siya ka-disorder. Yes, your diabetes. Sige. So, one way to check for the visual field, okay, especially for adults and older adults, is your Amsler Grid Vision Test. Specifically, checks for AMD, age-related macular degeneration. Pero si AMD, not everybody will experience this one. It's meron itong mga epidem who are at risk, usually older than 55, so you're okay. Have a family history of AMD. If wala man lang, usually pwede siya mapass on. Hereditary siya. So if wala sa family, you're okay. Caucasian, okay, dito na galing madala. Okay? Smoke, sino na smoke? Maganda doon, ayaw mo na yan. Pero you're okay, wala pa kung muli ka na po 30. Okay? Sige. So, this is what your Amsler Grid Vision Test looks like. So technically, you're supposed to hold this one, ang dot na dumagnet siya, 12 inches away from the eyes. Technically. For sa inyo, so are you able to see the dot? Yes. Yes. Hindi. Hindi. Something wrong? Sige, if you're able to do so, wala naman tayo pilitay. So meaning, there's something wrong na siguro with your visual field. Let's say, example, may mga existing na glasses. Or, kung di ka pa aware, or kasugod na ganito, because of mga grabbing ng screen time, kasi kasugod na magka-grado ka. Pero technically, if your visual field is okay, you should be able to see this one lang, a block dot at the center. If you have AMD, age-related macular degeneration, or if there's something wrong with your visual field, usually you will be able to see this. The block dots at the center, pero take a look. The grids are somewhat distorted, nag-wavy siya, and there sa inyo man, makita nyo lang sa lower right. Okay? You could see meron mga blank spaces. Okay? So either meron mga blank spaces, okay, or blind spots, or distorted lines. Hopefully, wala pa man sa inyo. Kung straight pa man na tanan, kung squares pa man sila tanan. Okay? May mga good glasses, okay? Pero if you take off your glasses, makita nyo lang, may mga linya-linya. Or wala pa man siya wave or something. Kung makawin yung glasses, makita nyo yung dot? Okay. Sige, meaning your visual field is okay, may isa sa aspects of vision na affected. So, clear so far with your visual field? Okay. Sige. Next is your visual acuity. Okay? So this one, amo na ning sa may mga grado na. So this one will try to discriminate fine details of objects. So dili na ni siya makuha. If you have normal visual acuity, you have your 20/20 vision at 20 feet distance. So very common that we use to check for visual acuity is your Snellen chart. Pero hindi lang siya for those yung glasses. You remember for those who take driver's license, dapat ari. Sige, we'll check even those at the back. Ang below the green line, below the green, ay cover right. Cover right. Ang iba na cover right, anay. Sige, start. Manigila na yan. Below the green. Below the green. Sige lang. I think ang kamuya. Ang glasses, you should wear them. Diba? Pero kung driver's license, sino mo wear naman kasi? Sige, yung glasses, wear them. Cover right. Below the green. Below the red. Boys, cover your left now. Wala pa muna read now. Level na ko mo yes. Although okay na, cover the left now. Below green. Yung boys at the back, they usually take longer than the time, so you should do very good na. Muna yun, the 20/20 and the 20 feet distance. So perfect ang visual acuity as well. Pero, there are others we use meters. Either this one, the 6 or the 9, this is the distance. So 6 meters or 6 out of the 9 meters. 20/20, 20 as 20 feet, or 20/20, 20 as 30 feet. Kaya ang hari is the numbers. Because usually, diba, ang sa Snellen chart ka. Okay, so this is for visual acuity. Okay? Sige, next, under your vision is your illumination. Illumination, illuminate meaning more of the lighting that, this one. To the degree of visibility of the environment. Sige, for the elderly, mas okay sa ilaw na very bright or hindi? Hindi, dasig sila mga sinaway on this one. Pero, dapat, good lighting also, ample lighting. Hindi naman na sila karoon kakita kung dulo. Okay, on this one. So, decrease ang visual acuity, increase ang illumination on that one for some. Next, your glare. Your glare is more of that silaw. Okay, that's why for elderly patients, diba, we don't have discrimination. Outside the Philippine setting, even if 80 years old, if you're able to drive, so pwede kayo mag-drive. Kaso, glare is one of the factors that could affect that one. Kung nabilang akong gasugal, akong gabi, tapos very bright lights ang sa suga, bisan na for those of you who are driving also, gani, di ba? Mga iban, you flash them gani kung gahay sila mga muna. Because that would affect your vision, especially kung dulong-dulong ang road or ang environment. Tapos good, yung may nagsilaw-silaw. Okay, so it hurts the eyes. Tapos, your eyes will need to accommodate now after na makalampaw na siya. So same for the elderly. Okay, so important for us to check for the vision. So kung wala ka, kung bilang na silaw, ano i-consider na? What precautions? Yes, risk for falls for this one. Okay, so that's why, for this, what could we recommend? Let's say, sa home setting sa mga patients. What can you recommend? Photochromic lens, so what if wala siya yung glasses? Or this one? Photochromic lens. Please, yung mga katarang na. Kung hindi ka afford. Well-lighted. Warm lights. And dim, not really. Kasi hindi naman nakita. So, ang Islam lang tanan nila ka light bulb. Chandelier. Yes, you can also try to change curtains. Kasi yung mga white instead of mga super dark. Ang mga super dark parang nagturo sa mga bata. Mayroon especially yung mga bed weather, di ba? Na kung hindi ka gusto magpugta, gusto mo tulog na kaya. Pero di ba, pwede ka change even curtains or the type of windows that enough light can go inside. Pero hindi mo siya also silaw. Maawa na siya. Okay? Sige. Next, under your vision is your dark adaptation. Sige, have you tried, syempre, some recent na ito kay Contino, grabe yung brownout. Sige, have you noticed, aside from the fact na, syempre, if you're at comfort of your home, most probably sa ulan, yung makita yung balay, di ba? Pero have you noticed, nga, bisa mag-brownout, gulat nila nga, feeling mo, doon kakita ka lang yan from where you're moving. Yes, because that's your dark adaptation. For the others who have problems with dark adaptation, nga ang pwede sila yung pagka-navigate is because sa ulado na nila. Pero iba, yung may problem with yan, so muna ng nakita nila sa mga movies, scary movies. Okay? Okay, pero dark adaptation, so this is the ability of your eyes to be able to see eventually, even if gulpi lang siya nag-dulo or nag-very dark. Okay? And it could be the other way around also. So after being dark for a very long time, gulpi lang nagsiga, di ba usually ka-amumanda na. Hindi gulpi lang siya nga nag-very bright siya. Okay, so if your eyes are not hurting, then your eyes are okay, even if with the changes. Kung light siya or bright. Okay? Pero this is what usually, physiologically, this is what happens. So your pupils will dilate, and then synaptic adaptation of your retinal neurons to be able to focus. Kundi isa mayroon very small source of light. If wala, so try siya to adapt. So pilito niya git. Okay, to help you navigate. And then increase concentration of your rhodopsin. So rhodopsin is one of the proteins in the rods and in the cones sa eyes ta. Okay, which is important. Okay, this is where you will find your photoreceptors. So that's why our body will need to adapt. So may area ta, okay, mga receptors to help us identify or makikita that eventually. Here, so syempre for this one, for those who have may mga grado na nadaan sa mata, and with aging, so their dark adaptation will be decreased. O that's why magamba, di ba nga, sa bulo, lahat na katananin ka na lang dahil maghalin. Ako mahadlusin mo. Rather than letting them go through. Okay? So, and technically, everything about vision, so precautions na are risk or cause. Sige, so this one, so again, delayed siya in older persons. Okay, that's why hindi sa accommodate. And like sa, if you're healthy pa young adults, your eyes are okay, wala pa mga grado. So, bisa maglawi, dasig lang yung maka-adapt na yun. So, more response if ever, kasi ibig ka na lang, mag-ugol ka na ng dulog, pwede ka na yung kalakad. Unlike for older adults, na-decrease na ilang response. So, may arap kaya, ma-decrease man ilang response time or quick reaction time on that one. And next, under your vision is your accommodation. Okay, so this is the ability of the eyes to focus images on the retina that are near or far. So hindi siya technically related to dysmetria, ha? Hindi nila matansya. Okay, so there's something wrong with the eyes nila. So ano na yung iyang importance? So, I mean, just like for example, you see a ball coming to you, if you're able to see it, so mabalaan mo iyong nga speed or velocity. If dasig siya, so dapat malikaw ka man. Unless your reflex is very slow, mahali na di mo pa yung pag-init mo. Pero if you see, di ba, basic sense lang. Ganda mo ka sa pedlay, tapos kita mo, di ba may car na dasig, mapuno ka lang yun. Kung may na car na dasig, anong usual response ta? O madagan ka forward, pakatulog ka na, or maatras ka, una mo siya. Pero because you're able to see nga, may dasig-dasig. Pero kung kita mo malayo pa man, doon speed line naman ESP, hindi ka madaling ka na nag-ibig, di ba? So, pwede ka lang walk para katabong ka. Okay, so for elderly patients, so decrease also ilang accommodation. So hindi nila makita. So hatong being still the same, precautions or risk for falls, especially if sa stairs negotiation. So hindi nila balamatan siya, maaayala na gali ang step. If feeling nila yan, doon kalayo pa. Or kung, especially kung manaog sila. Feeling nila, ara na, pero pag ano nila, nubo ko gali ang step. Okay, so risk for falls still. Sige, quick review. Sige, which muscle of the eye is responsible for moving the eyes inwards? Yes, your medial rectus. Okay. Sige, visible range of accommodation is technically 25 centimeters to infinity. Di ba mo nang suon na ba nila? Ang abot na makikita mo, action na. Sa muna sa muna, di ba? So kung makita, yes na lang dapat. Yes na lang ninyo. Pero technically, up to infinity. Okay, as wide as your visual aggregate accommodation will allow you. Okay? Sige. So again, when it comes to parentage, it usually starts mid-40s. Siya. So kumaga, normal siya, by mid-40s, mamat-amat siya, decrease. Okay, yung ating accommodation. So, presbyopia, the eyes have the ability to focus clearly and comfortable on close-up objects. Okay, that's the condition niya. Okay, see, presbyopia ito. Pero, strabismus is different. Strabismus naman siya yung galibad. Okay, sulain naman siya. So, presbyopia, that's may iban, di ba? If you see them, just squint sila eyes para makita nila, gaamon na lang sila. Okay, so may naman iban, kung hindi sila gaamon na, yung mga tigulang. Hindi ko makita. Especially kung sa nagsana kang pause. Di ba, if you, sa mga mommies, yung lolas, basta ng brightness, so silaw, so syempre amon na nila. Pero kung in yung phone na nila, gawin amon naman okay inyo, nga brightness, di ba, is very dim. Hindi ka rin, ano ba sa generation Y? Silaw. Sakit sa mata. O mayroon iba nagambat, pero hindi makita. Di ba mayroon naman nagsasang privacy screen. Oh, but si Kuya, ako na eldest, ang mga na, super dim niya, tapos ang muli na ako. Napan sa lubak na tayo, di ba? Ang that one. Especially for screen time. Okay. Sige, next on your vision is your color. Okay? So, this will also change upon aging. Sige, why is color important? So again, it can impact your mood, emotions, and behaviors. So you're familiar with Inside Out, di ba? Yung mga colors. If you're feeling sad, yan ang blue. Di ba? That's why, di ba, kung rainy, gloomy, it's dark, gray. Pero di ba, kung sunny, bright, mga summer, yellow, mga pastel colors. So maka-affect siya sa mood. Why? So especially for outside the Philippine settings, di ba, common, dito nag-close family ties, unlike us Filipinos. So usually napadala nila sa mga care centers. So care assistants are the ones who take care. So, di ba, para nga ma-engage sila in activities. So usually, kung gusto mo, di ba, pwede mo bright ang room. You put flowers, colorful flowers, especially for women. Okay, if pwede, gusto nyo enlighten up nila ng mood, you let them wear mga bright colored, mga shirt. Okay, unless kung sa bata pa siya yung more na siya ng mga emo-emo or goth na siya. Pero emo ko niya yung color palette is black, gray, and white. Okay? Sige. So again, pero don't worry because color vision will decline naman by 70 years old pa man siya. So lawig pa man natin. Buti ko lang naging before siya mag-decline. Pero, most affected color, take note, is your blue-yellow spectrum. Okay? So pale colors, okay, like yellow, in other pastel will appear white. Ang mga light colors, pananawan na nila yung white na lang na or off-white or cream. Hindi na din nila mas specific. So sa una, if maka-identify ka pa ng example, yellow, banana yellow, okay, yung mga, di ba, neon yellow, ano pa yun ang iba yung mga shades na, okay? So para sa ilan, white na lang na or cream or off-white. Okay? And darker colors such as your blue, green, purple will appear grayish. So kung ma-identify mo pa siya nga, navy blue, dark blue, royal blue, light blue, purple, violet, navy blue, ano pa ba ang different shades. So by the age of 70, mamatamat siya decline. That's why kung ipapilion mo sila color palette, mabala sila, nagpalaliyas naman ang lahat. That one. So again, darker colors will appear more on gray, the lighter colors will appear more on white. Pero usually, ang mga red, pink, ay pwede mo na nila yung ma-identify na doon ka laingit siya yan. Doon ka red din na siya yan. Kaya stronger color siya. Just like, di ba, sa pediatric, ang first na makita sa babies is your red, white, black.
Kaya mas longer wait.
Kaya mas ma-distinguish mo siya. Diba? That's why for babies, ang first gift, very common dapat na si ang ladybug. Hindi may red siya, black, and may white. Mga polka dots. Sige. So, for color, so one way to check is your color plate test. For those who have also taken their sa driver's license, nagkamumakawin. Sige, we will now check your color. We will start. Number 7, X, 3, 6, 8, 12, 9. Okay, wala mo. Sige, nasunod. Next, first adjust mo mga madali. Identify the first animal. Wait, ano yun? Why the elephant? Anong distinguishing feature sa elephant? May trunk. Sige, first is your bear, rabbit, deer, snake, butterfly, fish, bat, dog, horse. Ang more sensitive color.
Di ano nasa?
Both. Ang both is Olympian.
Ano? Ano ko no? It's a goat?
Dog sa inyo. Dog. Pwede ba? Numbers naman eh. Okay? So this is one way to check your colors. Sige ba? There's combination of colors and there's a hidden figure or numbers in that one. Okay? O sa mga driver's license, so usually may pinapa-identify. This one, galing, it's not more of check if your color enhancement is okay. If you're gonna take your driver's license, it's more to check for color blindness. Okay, di ba hindi nila identify ang red ka green. So, usually, ang combination nila is ang red ka green. And then may hidden number. Okay, your color is perfect. Sige, next, under your vision. So, vision, yes. Your contrast. If you try to, if na-notice nyo, kamo na siyang options, mag-edit kamo nyo pictures. Diba, may contrast, may brightness, nice. So, dili na siya. Asa ang term, nag-edit photos, so familiar ka na. Contrast. So, contrast now is your ability to discriminate between degrees of brightness. So, dili na siya makangin, especially if may mga shadows or overlapping colors. And also, if there's a background behind the object, okay, or in front of the object. So, dapat ma-distinguish na ni patient. Let's say, for example, kung may background that, so, let's say, I'm able to tell, Richard is there at the back of him not wear the board. Okay, so ma-worry ka if, like, say, for example, you can see me, but you cannot see that there is a board behind me. Okay? Or dapat, syempre, ma-distinguish nyo, naka-blue ko, yun sa likod ko, white, kung gusto lang mo, have your eyes checked on this one. Pero again, with regards to contrast, with the age of 16 na siya, must start to decrease or degenerate. Sige. So this one is important because it can affect your spatial awareness. So example, kung may mga shadow, especially if afternoon na, di ba? Depende sa orientation ng sun. If may mga shadows, especially for stairs. So still, there's precautions for falls, risk for falls on this one. So, decrease mobility. Kung maduwa-duwa sila, okay, so hindi sila ma-try to ambulate or to step. And decrease risk of accidents. Have you tried or have you seen sa muna ng okay pa si Robinsons? Ang sa likod. Ando floor painting, mural, whatever, ano na diba? Ando illusion something siya. So for them, diba? Hindi naman pag-i-challenge, may elderly, to the point na umuwi na. Oo, mapasikaroon ko, di naman sila makakita. Sige, we also have to check for your contrast. So we have your Feli-Robson contrast sensitivity chart. Somewhat like your Snellen chart, nadamo siya. But if you try to look at it, ang iyaya is from darker to lighter. Ay, so, may isa lang. Ang screen ko naman. Hindi siya kita. Sige, we'll start lang from sa S na.
SCNOZD, CNHDOK, NODPHR, CDNZSB, KCHODK, RSCHDR.
Wait a minute.
Ang sarap ito, sige, so again, so this one for contrast. So, change siya from darker to lighter. Or another is, you let the patient look at, let's say, this one, a painting. If your contrast is okay, so you should be able to identify the darker ones are
Mirror.
are what?
Lapel.
Ay, hindi, ano, identify? Are trees. Ang RE, second layer. Mountains. Ang next layer, still mountains. Ang RE na layer, still mountains. And pinaka-top, the sky na. The sky na. Sky na. Here, ano mo kasi ako ng clouds sa sky?
Bulldog po mata.
Pero, for elderly patients with problems with contrast, so the overlap na lang na, they might be able to identify siguro trees, kito mo na may mga rugged edges. For the rest, wala na. Feeling nila yan to palette na lang siya yan. So hindi na nila ma-identify, ay mountain na lang siya galing. Ang dapat. Clear? Pero sa actual setting, siguro, let's say for example, like, ng Chocolate Hills, makita pa mo na gulo nila, na double layer here. Pero mga layo-layo, pero hindi na. Or let's say for example, you let them look at, if you're in the beach, di ba Miara, if you're familiar, ang term, bakantilado, gulain, nablang, gadagdag siya na yun. Pero di ba, on bird's eye view, you will be able to see the distinction actually. Kaya di ba, mas darker ang color compare sa ang medyo shallow pa. So, ang darker color, usually yung munang duka blue-green-ish dish na yan. Pero kung tanawon mo yan sa ilan, so, dusim lang na siya yan. Basta dusim na siya maging blue ah. Ang ilang color. Okay? See. Next, your depth perception. So, this one, so, ma-affect siya on the, more on the dimensions. Length, width, and height. Okay, so if elderly patients have problem with depth perception, so they won't be able or they will have a hard time to judge how far away an object is, especially if may kapalapit din sa ila. So since nga medyo less mobile pa sila and lesser in a quick reaction time, most probably maigobig sila yan. Diba kung mag-view mo sila, maigobig sila yan. That's why diba, technically, kung sa mga movies na wala nga isabot ng mga patsadayar, no? Sa po si target, ang matigulang, ihitihinay sila mag-ikot. Technically. Okay, kung hambal, ang target. Okay? So, here, so for accuracy, dapat may ocular vision. So, wala na sila yung challenge, so 1 by 1 by. And that one. Okay? Sige. So, anong causes? If you are not yet in the geriatric population and you have problem with depth perception, so these are the causes kung ma-affect siya. So, strabismus, okay, or ang iban ka, di ba? Your amblyopia, lazy eye, your amblyopia, lazy eye, mo lang kinugo, manok-manokon. Ang isa, balag-dictate siya. Udik, no. Ang strabismus naman yung iban. Yeah. Si amblyopia mo na yung lazy eye. Oy, nakaproblema, di ako professional, dapat wala na ka muna yung suya. So, una, or sa di pa akong baking. Ako, amin ko, kung mo yung mabalong. Di ba? Ngayon na, di na sa natulog man. Normal na yan. That's a normal reaction, sorry. It may sound na suya, but those are facts. Kiti lazy eye, hindi mo mabalaan. Okay, sa diba, kapag na, maging mag-focus sa ila, kaya istorya ka, ang isa lang ang natulog, ang isa ay, ito mo na. Pero, you already know that there is weakness of the eye muscles. Usually, depende siya. If more siya na-deviate laterally, so, weak ang medial rectus. Hindi na po siya sa lateral. Okay? So, kung strabismus naman or ang galibat, so, anong weak? Ang lateral rectus naman, hindi na po siya sa medial. So, since you know na, di ba? So, dapat din ako magsuya. First mo na, di ba? Sa inyo mga LLB. So, di ba yung nasuyahan? Okay ka. Okay, nagbuwa tayo sa KTL. Pwede, di ba? If you know the underlying cause. O dapat sobrang, di ba? Ay, kabalo na ka mga may mga LLB. You already know also how to check for true like that. Siguro, urban pahira, urban pahira. Dapat hindi na yung suya tayo na normal na yung mga bandero, kaya tapos dadaan na sa ato na assessment. We're not to the point kasi nga manuyak. Dapat ka manuyak. Okay, trauma. Siyempre, any injury to the eye will affect your depth perception. Blurry vision and very common your optic nerve problems. Sige, yung sa hapon, ma-activity. Hindi na, pagka-activity action. So, meaning, ang RD subong, isa na nakatas sheet. Mapa-attendance na po. Ay, hindi na, pagka-activity. Ay, hindi ito mga basa-basa sa mga chart. Activity naman. So, meron na depth perception.
Sige.
Oh, wala pang circle. Arian circle. Wala ko. Technically, dapat to 6 inches away na siya. Pero okay lang. Kasi kaya hindi everybody can do this. Ang wala ko sa amo hindi ko pag-ilista sa tashi.
Ano? Ano dapat?
Ano, you're receiving joke.
Ano dapat?
Ay, 6 inches na away from your eye.
6 inches.
Not yet. Wait lang. So, dapat makita yung circle lang. Tapos, ang inyong finger, index, pwede lang ngayon. 6 inches away. Try nyo lang. 6 inches away from your eyes. Alright na. Do not move your finger. Wait ka. Alright na, 6 inches na away. Okay. Sige, look down. Look down, nanay. Look down. Ay, look down na. Uy, look down. Ay, yun yung instruction. Look down lang. Eyes lang ma-look down. Or ma-reset lang ang ayan, ganun ko. Ay, yun na mag-iyong. Okay, sige, look na. First, gaze at the black circle. Sa black circle, do not move your finger. Black circle lang hanggang. Remove your finger and eye. Ano makita nyo? Ano yung finger makita nyo? Hindi. Yung gaze ka mo. Sige, normally, di ba, ipa-focus ka mo sa black circle. Pero dapat makita nyo yung finger. And you see your finger. Pero, ano makita nyo? Anong gawa?
Gawa ko finger.
Normally, dapat yung medyo transparent or medyo blur.
Gawa yung makita.
Sige, again. Aliwan. Reset naman tayo. 6 inches. Okay, now, look the sigla sa circle lang eh. 1, 2, 3. Now, look at your finger. Shift. Okay, reset. Put your finger down, reset. Oh, now, after you gaze the circle, black circle, naging pa-shift ka mo sa finger. Okay, what happened to the black circle?
Nagawa. Nagdura ko ng gawa.
Technically, dapat, si black circle, dapat isa lang, pero blurred na siya. Kaya gawa, visual activity ng focus na sa finger. So, dapat, Mary, kaliyan na makita isa na yung circle.
Nagilibat.
Last.
Focus sa kabot.
Sige. Ano naman na? Sige, look at the black circle first. Now look at your finger. Now back to the black circle. Okay, what happened to the finger? Ano ulit siya sa finger niya?
Black ang duwa.
Sige, as a third day, di ba, Mani? You look at the circle, you look at the finger, back to the circle. Normally, dapat ang muna na siya maduwa na. Ang finger. Di ba? Yan ang mata. Sige, nakikabay ka na duwa. Pwede na, another side. So, doon nagduwa siya. Okay lang na. Kasi stress, makamong ko lang.
Yes.
Very tired.
Yes.
O diba, ano ba? Yan si Miss Jess, diba? Sa relaxation of the BCS.
Yeah.
Uy, you should get enough sleep. Ay, hindi pwede hindi. Di ba kasi, kung wala kang get enough sleep, you're burning your neurons. Di ba, mama? Nagpula ko, mas hasta alas 5, tapos ang place ay lang lang. Pero nga, ano bumog ako. This can burn your neurons. Di ba, mas better if you get enough sleep. Time management. Or power nap. Oh, power nap. Kung hindi nyo i-rest na matulog, at least take power naps in between. Again, mga bata, power nap, pinangatulugan, hindi na naman. Isang 5 minutes lang, balangan. Ilan lang signature ka kita. Para lang ma-reset. Hindi ka burn na lang mag-burn mirrors niyo. Ay, mga ako nagamba, hindi ko totoo. Ang bali, Miss Jess, matulog lang mo, no? Ay, hindi ko. Oh, hindi ko imagine your time. So, di ba? So, do not waste na makrami. Sige, questions with Miss Sean. Miss Sean, ka lang.
Isa mo ikaw?